is Arushki.
I'm Ashte.
I'm Arpita Agarwal.
I am Divyanshu.
My name is Chiparna Bodler.
My overall experience at RU was great.
Very nice.
It was really good.
Quite fun. Very fun.
Amazing.
Like a blast.
This was my first time attending the summer school, and I did not know that I will have so much fun here. It was interactive, it was educative, it was all about having fun, and I loved it.
The one word I would give to the Indic Summer Camp would be adventurous.
The new thing that I learned here in this summer school was about healthcare. They taught us what we should do if we are stuck in a situation, how we must provide healthcare to others.